I'm Mrs. Navins from the Smithtown Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY photo display. You should have grabbed your craft kit from the Nesconset building, and it's going to have a bunch of stuff that we're going to need for today's craft. From home, you're going to need a hot glue gun, a pair of scissors, and some photos that you would like to display for our picture frame. Included in the kit, we have our 3 pieces of twine, and you should have 9 mini clothespins. You're going to use the burlap and an 11 by 14 black photo frame. So once you have everything set and out of your kit, let's get started. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to pull off the cardboard backing of your picture frame. We are going to use this piece, so we're just going to set it aside for now. You're just going to discard of the paper on the inside and also the glass. This is very, very important. You do not want to hurt yourself. You don't want to break anything, so you're going to slowly pull out the glass. If you do need a grown-up's help, or you can ask where or how you can discard of the glass, or if you can use it for another project, but we are not using the glass for this project, so we're going to just set it aside. Okay, so our next step is gluing down our burlap to the cardboard backing of the picture frame. We're going to hot glue it down, and then with your scissors we are going to cut the excess off just so it fits nicely. So we'll get started doing that. I know it's super long, so I'm just going to cut the top a little bit. And it doesn't have to be perfect just because you will be framing it on the black frame. So it could be it's a little hard to cut, so don't be too strict with yourself. And it's easier to hot glue it first and then to trim along the edges. So we'll do that. With hot glue, we're going to just give the burlap a little trim. It's a little messy. So I think this looks good. So if everything is trimmed and hot glued, you're just going to set this to the side. And our next step is you're going to grab the black frame and the 3 pieces of twine that came in your kit. You'll still need your hot glue. So we're going to be hot gluing the twine to the inside of the black picture frame. You're going to want to make sure this is the inside, so you're going to see like a little lip, and that's where we're going to be hot gluing the twine. So let's do that next. And the twine could really go wherever you'd like. There are 3 pieces for 3 rows of pictures. Okay, once your twine is glued on, again with your scissors, you can kind of just cut the little excess pieces of twine on the sides. Just put that over there. You're just gonna wanna let this sit for a minute, just so you know it's secure. You could always add a little bit more hot glue and just clean up the strings when everything's dry. Okay, as you can see, our next step is putting the burlap backing back into the picture frame. You're going to close the tabs just to make it secure. And see how I have a little extra burlap hanging out the back? That's totally okay. You can go back later and give it another trim with an X-Acto knife, or if you have a smaller pair of scissors. But again, if you're hanging it up or if you're just laying it across like your dresser in your bedroom, you probably won't be able to see that. Okay, so our next step is you're going to use the mini clothespins that were provided, and you're just going to attach them here. So I think you got 9, so 3 per row. So this can hang up to 9 pictures. If you have postcards, if you have drawings that you like, cool stickers, anything will be great to display on this. So I just brought a couple of my fun little pictures. Right, and there you go. There is our DIY photo display. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed making your DIY photo display. For more craft programs and videos, please check out our website at www.smithlib.org, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye, thank you.